Hello everyone, this is Daniel with uGenesys, and in this video I'm going to show you a new secret strategy. And remember, if you're a beginner, having a trade manager to automatically take care of challenges like managing lot sizes and keeping you from overtrading and losing money can be a huge bonus for you. And we have just what you need with our trade management software called Market Keys. And also, if you're new and just don't know what to trade or when to trade, we have the perfect solution for you with our uGenesys Trend software, which gives you daily alerts for the most profitable trading opportunities. To learn more about these two products and their amazing benefits, you can click on the link in the description. So let's open up a gold chart with a 5-minute time frame. And we're going to add our first indicator. So let's type in chandelier exit. And this is the one we want here by Everget. Let's add this to our chart. And we want to go ahead and get rid of some of the fake signals here, okay? So let's go to settings, and then input, and let's change the ATR period to 20, and the ATR multiplier to 5. There we go. Now the second indicator that we'll add will be moving average exponential, so let's type in EMA. Is. And we're going to go to settings, input, and change the length to 200. And to make it more visible, we'll also go to style and change the color to yellow. Alright. Okay. And this is a very simple strategy here, guys. So when the market is above the EMA line, then we know we're in an uptrend, and we'll be looking to take buying positions. And whenever the market is below the EMA line, then we know we're in a downtrend, and we will enter into selling positions at that time, okay? So let's take a look at our chart here. So we can see at this section, we have the market above the EMA line, and we also have a buy signal here. Alright, so we can see this is a very good buy signal in this case. And also over here, if you take a look, our market here is below the EMA line, indicating we're in a downtrend, and this signal here, sell signal, it corresponds right here, so we can see that this is a very good signal in this case here. Also, here's another section where we have our price action below the EMA line, and we have a sell signal here. Okay, it's a very good signal right here, and here we see the market starting to go back up, alright, above the EMA line, and we've got a buy signal. Okay, so this is a very good signal in this case. Let's also take a look at the Euro USD chart. Alright, you can see here our market is going up, alright, above our EMA line, and we've got a buy signal. Okay, so this is like a very good signal in this case. We've got another section here where the market is starting to go below the EMA line, and a sell signal is right here, guys. So you can see this is very accurate. Let's go again over here, another section where our market is going upwards, and we've got a buy signal here again, guys. So this is a very, very accurate indicator strategy here. Here we have another section where it's going downwards again, and we've got another sell signal. Okay, guys, so you guys could give this strategy a try and hopefully get some profitable results. Okay, so thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.